This video will give you an honest opinion about the Empava Gas Range, so you know exactly what to expect. I have provided the link to this stove in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. The Empava Gas Range offers a spacious 4.3 cubic foot convection oven, which is perfect for a variety of cooking tasks, from roasting a big turkey to baking your favorite weeknight dinner. The convection technology means the heat circulates evenly throughout the oven, so you don't have to worry about cold spots or uneven cooking, which is a real plus. The cooktop itself is equipped with 5 burners that cater to all your cooking needs. You get everything from a powerful 18,000 BTU dual-ring burner for high heat searing to a delicate 5,000 BTU simmer burner for sauces and gentle cooking. This range allows you to handle multiple dishes at once with precise control over the heat, which is great for multitasking in the kitchen. Safety is well addressed with the flame failure shutoff system, which automatically cuts the gas if the flame goes out. This feature brings peace of mind, especially if you're busy or have little kids around. The build quality is solid too, made of polished stainless steel with heavy-duty cast iron grates that not only look sleek but also stand up well to daily use. The triple-layer tempered glass oven door helps with safety and lets you easily monitor your food without opening the oven. Convenience is another highlight here. The digital timer allows you to set cooking times precisely, up to almost 13 hours, which is handy if you want to slow cook something or keep track of timing without guessing. The halogen lights inside the oven improve visibility, and the ergonomic knobs feel responsive and easy to use. Installation flexibility is impressive. You can set this range up as a freestanding unit or slide it into your countertop cutout. It comes pre-installed for natural gas but includes everything needed to convert it to LPG, so it adapts well depending on your kitchen setup. The size is also quite standard, so it fits into most kitchens without issue, and the included accessories like the gas regulator and power cord make installation smoother. On the downside, some users might find the oven temperature controls a bit sensitive, requiring some trial and error to get used to. Also, while the stainless steel finish looks great, it does require regular cleaning to keep its shine. Overall, this Empava Gas Range is a solid, feature-rich option that balances power, safety, and flexibility for everyday cooking. If you want a dependable stove that handles everything from intense stir-frying to slow roasting with ease, it's definitely worth considering.